an old veteran, 73 years old, due to some symptoms that I was having on Easter Sunday with my family at home. And all of my family had been noticing that something must be wrong with me because I wasn't eating. Come to find out that I had a UTI, a urinary tract infection. I had no idea what a urinary tract infection was, but they kept me and gave me some antibiotics and things to help me get better, and they didn't work. They sent me back home. So I came back home, and the symptoms got worse. And I had to go back to the Antelope Valley Hospital. This time they decided they're going to take a CAT scan of my spine and found out that I had a infection in my L1 and L2 vertebrae in my back. And on top of that, I started having back spasms. That wasn't enough. So all three of these things together caused me a lot of personal grief and pain. And they kept me. That's when I met Dr. Nassar. He saw me in my worst moments. And he came and befriended me at my bedside and said that he wanted to help me. And that's how we became friends. And he ended up referring me here to Palmdale Regional, the therapy center here. And that's where I've been for 30 days. And when I got here, I couldn't even walk.
Wow.
I could barely talk. I could barely walk. Now, look at me. I can move my hands. I couldn't even do this when I first got here. And they really stuck with me. And I was really out of my mind. I was really having some very serious doubts about living. And these two showed up with a vote of confidence and love. Talking about it. I didn't believe them, but they were definitely sincere in trying to find out who I was and how they could help me. And boy, did they ever help me. Mentally, Vince and Erica are two very dedicated, wonderful people, and they know how I feel about them.
First, I want to thank Palmdale Regional for enacting this program. My name is Vince Anastasio. I'm a case manager, registered nurse. I'm also a veteran, 6 years deployed twice to Iraq, and I have Erica with me, who is I met along the way. His grandfather was a 112-year-old Navy veteran.
I have a military family. I'm just a strong military community advocate. So I'm known as the hope dealer. I like to bring hope. I done been on the other side of the table. I done been in the hospital bed, and I'm really big on bringing myself to my veterans.
Veterans are a very, very specific group. And through his faith, and a little bit of help from Palmdale Regional and Veterans Alliance, we were able to manifest, and now he's in a better space. And I'm happy to say, my friend, you're going home tomorrow.
That's right. And I'd just like to say this to any veterans that might see this, is that you're never too old to reach out to ask for help.